Hi everyone, welcome back to 汉字说故事 The story of Chinese character. Today, we are going to learn 火 fire. Humans started using fire for cooking about 600,000 to 700,000 years ago. Early humans probably didn't know how to make fire themselves. They might have used fire from lightning strikes or taken it from burning forests. They used it for light, warmth, keeping wild animals away, and maybe even for hunting. When they moved to new places, they would go to great lengths to bring fire with them. It said that people in China didn't learn how to make fire until about 90,000 to 100,000 years ago. And fun fact, when you put two fire together, you get yan, which means blazing hot. Later, it also came to describe symptoms like fevers, redness, swelling, and pain when someone gets sick. So, 火 means fire, 炎 means hot, and another meaning is sick or pain. We always say 发炎. Means your body inflammation. 火 炎